Hello everyone, so in this video, we're going to be comparing Airtable and Supabase. Now if you don't know what these two are, Airtable is a user-friendly spreadsheet database hybrid for building simple apps and managing data visually. And Supabase, on the other hand, is an open source backend as a service, or BaaS, providing a real-time database, or PostgreSQL, authentication, storage, and serverless functions. Now let's go over their pros and cons, starting with Airtable here. So Airtable is very easy to use and requires no coding. It has a great UI for data collection. It has built-in reviews, forms, and automations. Now, the cons of it is that it is limited in scalability and flexibility. It can get expensive at a scale, and yes, some features are locked behind a paywall as well. And you have less control over backend logic. Now let's go over to Supabase. Now the pros of Supabase is it is fully customizable backend. It is open source. It is scalable and uses PostgreSQL, and it has real-time capabilities and authentication built in. Now the cons of Supabase is that it requires coding knowledge, and the UI isn't as beginner friendly as Airtable here, and it is still maturing compared to Firebase. So which one is right for you? So use Airtable for quick visual apps or team-based data tools without code, and choose Supabase if you need a robust, scalable backend with a full control and are comfortable with development. And that is it. That is the difference between Airtable and Supabase. So if you found this video helpful, please consider liking and subscribing.